Snowboarding Mount Hood in the rain. Let's go! Yo, we made it up to Mount Hood, and it's raining up here. Oh no! This is no joke. The most rained on I've ever been snowboarding. But we made it up after all that driving. We're out here, just did the first run, and can't really see anything. Whew! So stoked to be back snowboarding. It's game time. Let's go! Let's go! We can still get a few more runs in. Yeah! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Snowboarding Mount Hood in the rain. Let's go! So bumpy. So bumpy. Let's go, let's go, let's go. A little crunchy. There you have it, a run at Mount Hood in the rain. Let's go! Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. We'll see you in another video.